Hello everyone! How are you all doing today? In today's lesson in science, we will still be talking about how do plants and animals change their environment. And the objective of our lesson is to explain how plants and animals can change where they live to get what they need to live and grow. So, let's get started with our lesson. As discussed in our previous lesson, animals play a role in changing the environment around them. And in today's lesson, we will talk about other examples of animals that can change the environment. And first of all, we will start talking about rabbits. Do you love rabbits? Well, we all love these cute animals. Rabbits change the environment by digging holes and living in burrows, which help bring back minerals to the soil. What about this little animal placed on top of the soil? Very good. This animal is called an earthworm. Earthworms make tunnels in the soil. These tunnels let in water and air, which give plant roots space to grow. And finally, what about these beautiful animals flying in the sky? What do we call them? Excellent job! These animals are called butterflies. Butterflies can change the environment as well. Butterflies help flowers pollinate and provide a food source for other animals like spiders. Plants cause changes to the environment as well. Sometimes the roots of plants can grow into cracks in wood, rock, or concrete. These roots can make the cracks get bigger. So, let's take a look at this scene right here, and let's see how do some of the plants in this scene change the environment around them. So, what do we have first? Very good. Here we have an ivy. An ivy is a kind of a climbing plant that can change the environment. This ivy in this example here changed the environment by growing on a tree branch and a brick wall. Here we have another example of plants changing the environment. In this example, we can see that plants grew on a tree stump. And finally, we have a third example of plants changing the environment. In this example, we can see that plants grew on a rock. Now, let's open page 133 in our science book, where we are going to solve the following exercises together. And in this page, we are asked to circle the part of the environment earthworms help. So, what do you think earthworms can do to help and change the environment around them? Well, earthworms, like the ones we see in the following pictures, make tunnels in the soil. These tunnels let water and air in, and by this, they give plant roots space to grow. So, which part of the environment earthworms are helping? Very good. Earthworms are helping the soil. By ingesting soil, earthworms make tunnels which allow air and water to pass into the soil, and therefore plant roots can spread out. Now, for the next question, they are asking us to count the earthworms and circle the picture with more earthworms in it. So what do you think? Well done! We are going to circle the picture below. In this picture, we can see more earthworms in the soil. Moving on to page 136 in our science book, where in question number 1, we can see pictures of some garbage thrown on the road, some people putting up a birdhouse, some kids planting, and smoke coming from factories. And in this question, we are asked to circle the pictures of ways people can harm the environment. So, let's think about it. Excellent job! We are going to circle the picture of the garbage thrown on the road. We are also going to circle the picture of smoke coming from factories. These two acts can harm the environment around us. Now, for question number 2, we are asked to look at these 4 pictures below and to draw a line to match pictures that show ways plants change the environment. So what do you think? Very good! We should draw a line between the top left picture and the bottom right picture. In this picture, we can see that the tree roots have cracked the cement. We are also going to draw a line between the top right picture and the bottom left picture. In these 2 pictures, we can see that the ivy has grown up a wall. And last of all, let's open page 137 in our science book, where we are going to solve our last exercises together. And for question number 3, we are going to have a look at these 4 pictures right here, and we are asked to circle the pictures that show a way an animal changed the environment. So, which pictures are we going to circle? Excellent job! We will circle the picture of the bird on a cactus. This bird changed the environment by making a hole in the cactus. We are also going to circle the picture of the soil. In this picture, we can see that termites change the environment by building their mounds. And now, for question number 4, let's have a look at these 3 pictures below. And we are asked to number the pictures from 1 to 3 to show what happens first, next, and last. So, what are we going to do? Very good! We are going to write number 1 under the smallest plant. Then, we are going to write number 2 under the middle-sized plant. And finally, we are going to write number 3 under the largest plant. So, as a plant grows, it gets bigger, and in this case, it spreads over a larger and larger area. Good job, everybody! Hope you all enjoyed the lesson as much as I did. Have a great day. Bye-bye.